a tapered mesh on this sort of particular taper where it goes from a thickness down to a point. So we're going to use the geometry mid-surface and automatic here, for example. Either select all, select visible, or however you need to, but we just need to select the surfaces related to this particular body. Then we're select all because this is the only body we have. I'm going to put in our thickness here. This is the length of this edge right here. It's not going to matter too much though. We go OK, and we can see up here we now got our new mid-surface. So we'll turn off the view for our solid here, and now we've got just our surface here. So normally you would go to like geometry, mid-surface, and assign mesh attributes. Select this, go OK. We'll have to apply a material. We don't have anything yet at this point, but now we've got it. But when I do that, nothing happened. And if you look right here in the window, we've got no thickness available for surface 10. So FEMAP wasn't able to apply a surface or properties to that material or the surface. So we're going to manually do it ourselves. Taper, put in a thickness of 0.2. It's already assigned to the material that we created in our previous failed process. And so I have new, or every time I create new, it always repeats the command, so that's going to pop up. We'll just cancel out of that. So now we'll go up to mesh. We'll go to geometry, surface. We'll select our midplane here, go OK. See, it's already selected our taper. We can click, this is our mesh options here. We go OK, and there we go. We've got our mesh right now. But as you can see from the visualization, I have this turned on from in here, thickness cross section, that we've got a uniform thickness, and this isn't what we want in the end, but it's pretty easy to fix. If we go to modify, update elements, and then you'll see down here there is adjust plate thickness offset. We're going to select all or visible because we want everything here. This is all we've got. And right now the method is going to ask us how to vary our varying method. So we're going to go from this node to that node, and then from the first node our thickness is 0.2, and at our end technically it's 0. So we're going to try 0 here, and we're going to end up getting this error message: value must not be 0. So FEMAP is not going to like a 0, about tapered down to a 0. So what we need to do instead is put in a very small number, such as like 1e to the -6, like that, and go OK. But as you can see, it doesn't look like anything's happened. This is just FEMAP not redrawing the window. So we just go to Window, Regenerate, and there we go. Now we've got our tapered elements from a thickness of 0.2 down to basically a 0, almost a 0 thickness. And that's how you create a tapered to a point like that with shell elements. So if we go and view, we can turn off the thickness orientations, and there you go. You can see we've got just shell elements.